Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to explore an essential concept in market analysis, and that is volume analysis in trading. Okay, with a focus on how the volume indicator can be used with a structured trading strategy. So let us quickly start with the basics, shall we? Price shows us where the market is moving, but volume shows us the strength behind that move. Think of it this way. If price is the headline, right, then volume is the story underneath. By studying volume analysis in trading, you can determine whether a price move is supported by strong participation, or whether it's weak and likely to fail. Okay, I'm trying to add a good volume indicator to the charts. Let's just use the volumes. Yeah, all right. So what exactly is the volume indicator? The volume indicator measures the number of trades or contracts being executed during a given period, right? On most trading platforms, you'll see volume displayed as vertical bars, okay? And that's going to be below the price chart. Now, higher bars mean more activity. Lower bars mean less, okay? So this simple visualization can reveal a lot about buying and selling pressure. Now, why does volume matter? Traders often use volume to confirm trends. For example, if the price of a currency pair is moving upward, right? And if you notice that volume is also increasing, it suggests strong buying interest. All right. On the other hand, if price is climbing but volume is falling, it could signal that the move is losing strength. Okay, so this makes volume analysis in trading a powerful way to validate what the charts are showing. All right. Volume also plays a key role in spotting breakouts. Okay. A breakout above a resistance with high volume is more likely to be real and sustainable, while a breakout on low volume may be a false signal. And this is why traders often say volume confirms the move. Okay, by paying attention to the volume indicator, you can reduce the chances of being caught in fake breakouts. But it doesn't stop there, right? Volume analysis can also highlight divergences. For instance, if price is making higher highs, right? If price is making higher highs while volume is making lower highs, it could be a warning that the trend is weakening. So these divergences can give early signals of potential reversals, helping traders prepare ahead of time. All right. Now let us talk about how to use the volume indicator in a trading strategy. The most effective approach is to combine it with other tools, okay? Pairing volume analysis with support and resistance levels can give you context about whether those levels are likely to hold or break, okay? Adding moving averages can help filter out noise and, confirm trend direction. In practice, traders often wait for volume confirmation before entering a trade, especially during major breakouts or trend reversals. The important takeaway here is that volume analysis in trading is not about watching bars on a chart passively. All right, it is actually about reading the conviction behind price action. Every spike in volume tells a story about increased participation, okay? While every dip in volume suggests hesitation. So when you start interpreting these signals, you gain a deeper understanding of market behavior. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you personally use the volume indicator in your own trading strategy? Do you use it to confirm breakouts, to spot divergences, or simply to gauge overall participation? Well, drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us start a discussion. All right. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dive trading strategy videos. Your support helps us continue bringing value to the table, right? We continue to bring valuable content that sharpens your trading knowledge and skills, right? So that is it for this breakdown on volume analysis in trading with the volume indicator. You must not necessarily use this particular volume indicator, okay? It can be any volume indicator that you prefer, all right? Using your preferable volume indicator, okay? Um, so we have been able to just talk about how using a volume indicator can fit into a trading strategy. Remember, price may tell you where the market is heading, but volume reveals whether the market truly supports that move. So you should combine both of them and you will likely have a stronger foundation for your trading decisions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.